You know that feeling, right? You hear about AI, then machine learning, deep learning pops up, large language models.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a lot of terms flying around.
Yeah.
And you're not quite sure how they all, fit together.
It's totally understandable. Things are moving so fast. It's hard to keep track, even if you're nearby technologically.
Exactly. So that's our mission today. We want to sort of cut through that. We're doing a deep dive using a really helpful structure from a Google AI course explanation we saw to give you a beginner-friendly look at these core ideas.
And clear roadmap, essentially.
Yeah, a roadmap. So you listening, if you want to get a solid grip on this stuff quickly but, properly, that's what we're aiming for.
And the way this explanation starts is quite fundamental. It sets the stage immediately.
Okay, how so?
Well, it frames artificial intelligence, AI, not as one single thing, but as this really broad field, like physics.
Yeah. Okay, like a whole area of science.
Precisely. The big goal is creating machines that can exhibit intelligence. That's the umbrella.
Okay, AI is the whole universe then.
Yeah.
So where does machine learning come in?
Right. So machine learning, ML, is presented as a major subfield within AI.
A subfield.
Yeah, like if AI is physics, maybe ML is like thermodynamics, a specific branch, a way to do AI.
Got it. So under the AI umbrella, you've got this specific approach called machine learning. And then deep learning keeps coming up.
Exactly. And deep learning is then a further step down. It's a subset of machine learning.
Okay.
A specific technique within machine learning.
Right. It's like those Russian nesting dolls.
Yeah.
AI, then ML inside, then deep learning inside that.
That's a great way to visualize it.
So where do the LLMs, the large language models, fit? We hear so much about them.
They fit within deep learning as well. So that hierarchy holds. AI contains ML, which contains deep learning, and LLMs are a part of that deep learning picture.
Okay, that layered view really helps. AI, then ML, then DL, then LLMs. Makes sense. Now, the explanation we saw pointed at something specific. The intersection of generative models and LLMs. That's where things like ChatGPT and Bard come from.
Yes, exactly. That intersection is key. It's where the ability to not just analyze, but actually create new stuff comes from.
New stuff?
Yeah, the LLMs bring the language smarts, and the generative techniques let them produce new text, code, whatever. That combination is, well, driving a lot of what we see now.
Okay, high-level map established. Let's dig into machine learning itself then. What is it, simply put?
At its core, it's teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming for every single task.
Right.
The idea is you use input data to train a model.
Right, you feed it info, it learns patterns. And
then that trained model can look at new data it hasn't seen before and make predictions or decisions based on what it learned.
it generalizes.
Exactly, it generalizes.
The video had that shoe sales example.